and I say trick like it's trickery, but it's the facts, is that if it's owned by a grandparent, it has absolutely no bearing on financial aid at all whatsoever. So if there is a correct way to do this, and the grandparents are still around, have them own the plan and make the contributions, have it designated for your use. That's how to best do it. This way, there's no impact at all on that at all whatsoever. Um, that's kind of the easiest, the quick down and dirty parts of this. Man, I'm at 10 minutes. There is a great resource, because one of the problems with college educations is picking the right area to study. And if you don't pick the right area to study, I don't care if you got a wonderful education. If you picked a PhD in philosophy, unless there's a philosophy plant down the road, and well, different political parties may be hiring, but other than that, there's probably not a whole lot of opportunity for a director of philosophy. So one of the best resources, and it's still around, I just checked, although I had an error earlier, but the Bureau of Labor Statistics Occupational Outlook Handbook. The government will help you determine what to study. It's a beautiful thing in a way. Now, granted, they're looking at current economic environment. I'm pretty sure 5 years ago there was absolutely no jobs listed for anything in AI, right? There would be nothing about that 5 years ago. Well, things change. You never know. But let me pull up that site here and share this tab. So here's what's really neat. You go here, Occupational Outlook Handbook, you scroll down, and these things are the best filters to look at. So you look at median pay. I want a high-paying job. I don't want a whole lot of education. Let's just say post-secondary. No, oh no, let's just say bachelor's degree, just 4 years. I want on-the-job training. I want to be massive opportunities, and let's just say as fast as ever, whatever, and it go. And it's going to tell you what's available or what was available. Oh, I think I changed something here. Let's say long-term on-the-job training, and it's supposed to go. I still have nothing. That's okay. You can play around with it. It'll tell you what's possible, at least according to what they think. Okay, come on. Now, there's supposed to be some way to that, or it's broken. I am not responsible for this website working. I just know that the thing is pretty cool when it works. I'll just pick. I'll pick on that one. See, there's some stuff there, and then it disappears. Okay, this is not. We had it, and then it went away. I
Scroll down. There it is.
Somehow, I think, but so administrative services managers. I don't know what the hell that means, but it's there. You can kind of get an idea, and you just play with the triggering things here to figure out what interests you on that. Not just necessarily follow your likes and dislikes. So I was on an older website. It was called Clarinet Pages, because I'm getting back into playing the clarinet again, and I'm just browsing this. And this is not even a website that's really available. I had to find out in the Internet Archive website. And this guy is going off on something regarding either the price of clarinets or how competitive it is, and basically saying there is zero job market for a professional musician. I mean, unless you get into the studios, but then people are living longer and people are keeping those kinds of jobs, and they're kind of monopolizing. Unless you're going to be in education, there isn't a whole lot of anything. I thought that's so important. And I think there's probably making the point